Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to give tips for journal grade and quality checking with a certain platform. Before writing journal and after finding target journal, it is necessary to ensure the journal grade and quality using some platform. Already we have many platforms. So we are going to discuss about the platform and how we should check on the platform. No, it is essential to ensure or checking the grade and quality of the target journal. Because in previous video we discussed how to find a target journal. So based on that, we need to check, we need to ensure the quality or grade of the journal using these databases or platforms. So already we have many platforms. Maybe you are aware of this platform. So major platform is Scimago JR. I am giving the website link also. Scopus Web of Science. These are belongs to engineering and sciences. And ABDC list, ABS ranking is based on this is belongs to economics, finance, marketing, management, or etc. So it is belongs to purely management side and economics and finance. So the top three platform will be utilized to check to ensure the quality and grade of the target channel. Here I am going to give some demonstration using websites. So this is the Scimago journal. Here I am giving some sample journal name. Okay, Journal of Intelligent and Fuzzy Systems. So see how it is. The all the grades are given here. Here the list of journals are available. Here I am choosing journal Journal of Intelligent and Fuzzy System. So here you can note down here what is the country it belongs to, subject area, computer science, artificial intelligence, engineering, method. These categories. So these are all the categories of this journal: computer science, artificial, particularly artificial intelligence, engineering side, that is miscellaneous, mathematics. In the mathematics, particularly statistics and probability. These three categories are available in this particular journal. Here H index are mentioned. So H index is nothing but the journal's number of articles that have received at least H citations. So the detailed metrics of each and every journal will be discussed later in videos, future videos. So here I am giving so how to ensure the quality uh, in this video. So here the journal, the ISSN number coverage, it is covered 1993 to 2020, and the scope, the little bit the scope of the journal also available. Better you can go with the home page for detailed scope of the journal also. So here home page link also available here. So here one more thing I like to say here, quartiles are there. So nowadays all the journals are there, particularly Scimago is giving the quartiles of the journal, that is category wise. Already we seen that which categories are there here: artificial intelligence, engineering, statistics. So like that here, artificial intelligence, engineering, statistics. So from the 1999 2019 they are giving category. In 2019 the artificial intelligence, all the papers, suppose the categories papers artificial intelligence means the paper lies on the Q3. So the quartiles is up to that is four categories are there: Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4. That is first 25% is Q1, next 25% is Q2. Like that, it is categorized here. So it is belongs to the artificial intelligence belongs to Q3. So here engineering is Q2 and statistics and probability is Q3. So previous year it was Q1. So Q1 is the best one, and Q2 is subsequently the grade will be decreasing: Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4, like that. So here the citation graphs are available, and international collaborations are available. What are the collaborations the papers done? Here they are mentioning engineering is Q2. Already I told you, the Journal of Intelligent Fuzzy Systems. Engineering is belongs to Q2 based on this graph. Okay, so like that we can analyze here. And if you like to go to home page, okay, I'm clicking home page here. This is the home page of Journal of Intelligent Fuzzy Systems. Here you can see the elaborately the aims and scope of the journal, and also the manuscript author's instruction also available here, and we must read author's instruction before communicating the paper also. Here, very important is abstracted and index. Suppose if you like to know the indexing of the paper, so one way is the home page. So you can see the home page whether it is indexed or not, where it is indexed, like this also. Here you can see all the indexing indexes are available, like Scopus are available. Web of Science, in the Web of Science now you can find all the SCI, SCIE papers are belongs to Web of Science. So here Web of Science is mentioned, and citation index expanded, SCIE. So this journal is comes under Scopus and SCIE also. Okay. So rest of others are, you can see that is Inspector also one of the database. So it is indexed in here also. So many databases are there. So now we are actually now we are interesting Scopus and SCI, so that I am mentioning here. Okay. So like that you can see the all the metrics here. Impact factor also, this is very important. This is 1.637. So how to calculate there actually in detail I will explain later. Okay. So next one, I'm giving some other journal, for example, Journal of Visual Communication and Image Representation. Okay, here you can notice that here this is H index is 74. Okay, so H index, based on H index also we can assume this good journal. Okay, so here also the category is also available: computer vision and pattern recognition, signal processing, in engineering, electrical and electronic engineering, media technology. Okay, so here the four categories are available here. Okay, so now it is computer vision and pattern recognition belongs to Q2 quartiles. Like that you can see media technologies comes under Q1 category. So the papers belongs to media technology comes under Q1 category, the best papers we can say based on these quartiles. So these are the citations graph. So this media technology belongs to Q1, we can understand. So this home page also we can find abstracting and indexing. So nowadays they are giving directly Web of Science. Web of Science contains SCIE and SCI also. So it is belongs to, so it is indexed in Scopus as well as SCI, Web of Science. Okay. So another platform is Scopus. So we can ensure the target journal with Scopus also. Here, go to view journal ranking. So here I can give the journal name with the title, or many categories are the subject area, title, publisher, ISSN. So I'm choosing title. Here I am typing Journal of Intelligent and Fuzzy Systems. So here available. So here I am finding. So one result came. So here there are so many metrics are in Scopus. So different platforms having different metrics. Okay, so don't bother about this. We will discuss later. So what are the metrics, and what is metrics also. So cite score, highest percentile, citation documents, and cited total cited. Okay, so right now we are checking the quality of the journal. So here, after clicking this, so you can find the site score. Here they are mentioning how they are calculating site score. The citation count of 2018 divided by documents between 2015 and 17. That is 3 years document. Okay, the citation count and 3 years document they are calculating. The citation is 3,707, and the total documents published in 3 years 1,895. So it will comes 1.96. The current 2019 site score is 2.08. So now it is increased. 2018 1.96 and 2.08. So this is good one for us. It is increased. And also the category wise they are giving rank also among 2,208 and among 56, like that they are giving categories rank also. Okay. So like that we can judge the quality of the journal. And one more thing, another platform is Web of Science. Here also the same journal I am giving the example here. Here the Journal of Intelligent Fuzzy System, and the Web of Science mjl.clarivate is a Clarivate is an organization. Web of Science is a database. Here we need to register, then only you can find the detailed profile of the page. Okay, here the International Journal of Fuzzy Logic and Intelligent System. Here they are listed. Here Journal of Intelligent Fuzzy System. So that's we need the particular journal. So here the publisher name, ISSN number, categories. Here also categories are available. The same categories. The Web of Science core collection is Science Citation Index. So you can ensure here also. So one is in SJR Scopus, another one is Web of Science. So we can ensure all the platforms, so whether the indexing. Also we can find in the home page also. Okay. So like that. So if you go to go the profile page, so the detailed explanation is given about the journal and the year of first year of published 1993. Like that, the details are available here. So the Web of Science Citation Indexing, also the SAE, like that they are giving all information, and here you can find the particular any journal also. Here you can find. Okay, so like that we can judge, we can identify the quality and grade of the journal using these three platforms. So another rest of two platform for particularly economics, and so in this video, so I'm not covering this ABDC and ABS ranking. This is purely based on that is for only economics, management, and marketing people. Okay. So thanks for watching my video. Subscribe my channel, like and share my videos. Press the bell icon for intimation. Thank you.